Imagine your summer with an extra 30K in your bank. This is not a dream. Let's make it a reality in the next 90 days. See, right now, we're going on the 90-day run. The 90-day run with a legacy builder program in digital marketing. See, we're teaching people right now how to make extra 10K a month, working 2 hours a day around your busy schedule. See, this process is very easy, but not everybody will do it. And sometimes we're human. We get in our own way. So if you had 2 hours a day around your busy schedule to learn the skills to earn $900 a day, which is about $27,000 in a month, which to the everyday person is kind of like, oh, this is far-fetched, this is not real. We teach you, we show you, we have mentoring calls to start your online business. See, it's way easier than most people think. See, we promote For Done For You digital products. That's what we do. But they're programs that they evolve every month. There's new things going into the program so you learn how to get an online business and work it better and better every day. But right now, this 90-day run, we're going to teach people how to make 10K for each month for the next 90 days. The question is, will you be one of them? Put 90-day in a comment for more information.